I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to sign into the Google Chrome app on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome app on your iPhone or iPad and then tap the profile icon on this screen. A window opens asking you to sign in to Google Chrome. Step 2. If you've already got multiple Google accounts associated with your device, you'll be asked if you want to sign in to that account. Tap that name. You'll see a list of the accounts associated with your iPhone or iPad, and you'll also be able to add a Google account if you need to do that. Step 3. If you see the account you want to sign into in this list, tap to select it. If you don't see it, tap Add Account and then sign in to that Google account. Step 4. Tap Continue on the next screen. Choose whether or not you want to sync your tabs and history associated with that Google account with this device. You'll be signed in to your Google account in the Google Chrome app on your iPhone or iPad. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.